On.
Hi everyone, and it's my favourite day of the week, startup day. And as you can see in front of me, we've got the ultimate bike, the MV Augusta Agostini 1000cc, very rare model, only 300 of these bikes made. You have a little number plaque on the headstock. This is number 215, like I said, out of 300. The attention to detail on these bikes are just unbelievable, and to me, they're just rolling art. This particular bike also has got the Arrow race cans on as well, so it just sounds awesome. I've got the bike warmed through. Please have a listen. I'm sure you'd agree that sounds absolutely wonderful. Look forward to what we're going to start next Wednesday.